Welcome back to the Shopify for Beginners course. In the previous video, we learned how to create an account on the Shopify platform. If you didn't watch the video, you can go back to it via the link in the description. Today, we'll take a look at the pricing plans available on the Shopify platform, and how to choose and purchase the right plan for your online store. Shopify offers a variety of pricing plans to suit different business needs. There are 7 main pricing plans, but the most popular are the 3 plans within the Basic solutions. Basic plan, this is for small businesses that are just starting out selling online. This plan features full-featured online store, including unlimited products, collections, informational pages, and blogs. 10 inventory locations. 2% transaction fees on third-party payment providers. Multiple languages on your storefront. 3 markets included. 0 staff accounts, but you can give third-party designers, developers, and marketing experts limited access to your store. The plan is priced at $32 per month, and you can save up to 25% if you pay annually. Shopify plan. This is ideal for businesses that need more detailed reporting and multiple staff accounts to manage the store. This plan features full-featured online store, include unlimited products, collections, informational pages, and blogs. 10 inventory locations. 1% transaction fees on third-party payment providers. Multiple languages on your storefront. 3 markets included. 5 staff accounts, and you can give third-party designers, developers, and marketing experts limited access to your store, does not count towards staff account limits. The plan comes at $92 per month, and you can save up to 25% if you pay annually. Advanced plan, for advanced businesses that need custom reporting tools and third-party calculated shipping rates. This plan features full-featured online store, including unlimited products, collections, informational pages, and blogs. 10 inventory locations. 0.6% transaction fees on third-party payment providers. Multiple languages on your storefront. 3 markets included. 15 staff accounts, and you can give third-party designers, developers, and marketing experts limited access to your store, does not count towards staff account limits. The plan is priced at $399 per month, and you can save up to 25% if you pay annually. How to choose the right plan for you. Before you start selling your products online on the Shopify platform, you need to choose the plan that suits your needs and budget. We will provide you with some tips to help you make the best decision. 1. Determine your goal and the size of your project before choosing a pricing plan. You need to determine what your goal is for creating an online store, what is the size of your project, what is the expected number of customers, and what type of products you want to sell. These factors affect your choice of the plan that suits you. For example, if you run a very small online store, the Shopify Starter plan may be enough for you. If you run a small or medium online store, the Shopify Basic or Shopify plan may be enough for you. If you run a large store, you may need the Shopify Advanced plan. If you are a large organization, of course, you may need one of the alternative solutions offered by the platform. 2. Compare the features and prices. After you have determined your goal and the size of your project, you should compare the prices and features offered by the different pricing plans, then choose the plan that suits your budget and needs. For example, if you do not need employee accounts because you will manage the store yourself, the Basic plan will be suitable for you. However, if you need employee accounts to manage the store with you, the Shopify plan is suitable for you. However, if you need large employee accounts and advanced statistical reports, and you have a somewhat large budget, the Advanced plan is suitable for you. 3. Read reviews and ratings. After you have compared the features and prices, you can read reviews and ratings written by previous users of each plan. These reviews will help you understand the user's experiences with each plan, and know whether the plan is right for you or not. 4. Start with a lower cost plan if you are not sure about the size of your online store or your marketing needs. You can start with the starter or basic plan, then you can upgrade to a higher plan later if necessary. 5. Talk to a customer service representative if you are still not sure which plan is right for you. You can talk to a Shopify customer service representative. The representative will help you understand your needs and choose the plan that suits you. How to buy the plan. After you have selected the plan that suits you, now let's move on to the purchase steps, by following the following steps. 1. Log into your account on the Shopify platform to access the main control panel of your store. You will find a banner at the top of the screen, and another banner at the bottom right of the screen telling you the remaining days of the trial version and asking you to choose a plan. Click on any of them, or you can click on Settings at the bottom left of the screen, then from the side menu select the Plan option. Then click on the Choose Plan button. 2. Based on your needs and budget, choose the appropriate plan for you from the plans presented in front of you. In our case, since we will just start selling online, and the sale will be local only. Therefore, the basic plan will be sufficient for us at this stage, and we can choose a larger plan if necessary in the future. Just click on the Select button below the plan you want to buy. 3. In the next step, Shopify will provide you with 2 payment methods. Through a PayPal account, or through a credit card or direct debit card. Select the payment method that suits you, then enter your data correctly. In our case, I used a debit card payment, wrote the card number, then wrote the card expiration date, then wrote the secret number, CVV, on the back of the card. After that, I wrote the store address, and if the store does not have a physical location, you can add your home address. Then I selected the country in which I run the store. Then I wrote the zip code for the store address. You will notice that Shopify asks me to pay $1 instead of $32 for the plan subscription for the first month, but this policy may change in the future. Finally, click on the Subscribe button. Congratulations! You have successfully purchased and subscribed to the plan. Now, if you go back to Settings, then select the Plan option from the side menu, you will find the name of the plan you purchased, and the amount you paid. You can now start setting up your online store completely, and explore all the features that your plan offers you. In the next video, we will cover how to adjust the basic settings of the online store on Shopify, so do not forget to subscribe to the channel and activate the notification bell to stay informed of everything new. If you have any questions about pricing plans or how to purchase the plan, feel free to leave a comment below the video. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like the video.